Hi guys, welcome to MRK Tutorials. This is one of the most commonly asked question. In fact, one of our subscriber sent this question about the difference between double equal to and triple equal to through Google form. And if you want to send similarly, you can mention in comments below or request video in the Google form link mentioned in the description below. Though I use JavaScript more and this video is also for the JavaScript and TypeScript developers, but I saw there are many questions in the Stack Overflow, Quora and many personal blogs about these differences in the other programming languages too. This is a bit small video, but it is highly informative and it is the most essential video especially for the people who are in the journey of learning basics of JavaScript or TypeScript. By the way, what do you think? Which among double equal to or triple equal to is faster in execution? I assure you, after this video, you will be saying to all your colleagues that you learned something new in this video. Basically, double equal to and triple equal to are comparison operators which evaluates true if the two sides of an operator are same. And by the way, the two sides of an operator are called operands. Let's go back to the childhood and remind of a max problems in which we would solve large problem and eventually say that LHS equal to RHS. Because in maths we don't have any data storage or data types. So we only check the value itself on the both sides at that step and make them equal so that the problem gets completed at that step. But here, since it is a programming language, we will have data types. We will have two cases. We need to check if the value is equal irrespective of type on the both sides, or we need to check if value and type are equal on the both sides. This is the strict checking of equal to operator on the both sides, or simply we say strict equal to. So double equal to is equal to, triple equal to is strict equal to. So here are the differences between equal to and strict equal to. Equal to checks to true if the operands are equal on both sides. Triple equal to checks to true if the operands are equal and also the type of operands are also equal. What does equal to do is it converts the both values on the two sides to a common type and then checks for the value. But strict equal to, it checks directly without any conversion. By second point, we can understand that the operator checks equality only after converting both of them to common type is equal to operator. And if it checks without conversion, it is strict equal to. So that is the reason why triple equal to or strict equal to is faster than double equal to. Why double equal to converts into the common type and then checks? Because JavaScript is a weakly typed language, so it will apply type corrosion whenever possible. So what is type corrosion? Type corrosion means that the two values are compared only after attempting to convert them into the same type. So in this video we learnt about type corrosion or type conversion in JavaScript and difference between equal to and strict equal to, and also we understood why is strict equal to faster than equal to. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and share to all your friends. Thank you.